All right, crew, we are prepping some food today. Finally, I gotta do it now. I don't have all the time to barbecue like I used to. So now I'm gonna prep food so I don't eat crap. I like to run the high protein, like low carb, all silly carbs, right? But it just depends. But let me show you what we're prepping. All right, check it out. Not a huge fan of chicken, but I gotta eat it, right? Boring. I'm a red meat guy, if you guys know me, but let me show you what we have in here. Super pumped. Wait till I tell you about that chili. So I have rib roast steak, hamburger for some week. What is this? Another steak. This is tri-tip. I got it for my birthday. It's the bougie tri-tip. It's gonna be delicious. There's some fish in there. I got myself an extra salad, 2 for $20. Rubio's, usually it's $16. Double steak. Got some of this. So we'll be prepping this chili. It's delicious. I'll have to tell you about it. But yep, it's gonna be a barbecue prep day for the week, or at least for a couple days.